Yam porridge is not just a meal for me. It's comfort, it's home, it's memory. Even with the rising cost of yam where I live, my love for this dish holds me steady. Today, I'm taking you on a delicious journey, one spoon at a time. I begin with fresh mackerel, chopped into pieces, a touch of salt, a sprinkle of seasoning powder. Simple, but packed with flavor. I let it rest, let the flavor sink in. Next, I grab the yam, the price might pitch, but the memory it holds is priceless. I peel and I cut into cubes, already imagining the final flavor melting into my mouth. I rinse the yam and place it gently into my pot. A pinch of salt, some chopped onion and water. I let it simmer quietly to absorb care in every bubble. That is where the magic begins. Then the gizzard, my secret weapon, spice with chicken seasoning powder, garlic, ginger, cumin, and salt. This adds to the depth that brings the whole dish to life. What would I say then? It's bold, it's hearty, just how I like it. I mix this thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. For my pepper mix, I blend together bell pepper, onion, scotch, bonnet, and tomatoes. These are my spicy canvas of color and heat. Then, I place my mackerel into my air fryer and fry for a few minutes. In a saucepan, I place in my oil and heat on low heat. It's not just oil, it's a tradition. The sizzle of onion in a palm oil. That sound, that is how you know something good is coming. Then it goes into my pot, my pepper mix. Let it cook and whisper those spices secret into my pot while cover for 10 minutes. I stir gently, then season with white pepper, curry, thyme, beef seasoning, and a bit of salt. I cover it again. Wait for it to cook for another 5 minutes because greatness takes patience. It's time to gently place my fried mackerel into the stew. It simmers for just a bit. I let it soak up the essence before I left it out. Now it's perfectly coated. Next is my air fried gizzard. The stew deepens in flavor and color. Then I pour it over the soft cooked yam, gently breaking and folding it until it's all well combined. Hey fam, the gizzard yam porridge is ready. Guess what? I serve mine with the fish head or head of fish, whatever it's called. It is so delicious. That is the beauty of heritage meal, which means they warm your belly and your heart. Will you still cook your favorite dish no matter the cost? Drop a comment below and let us talk about the food that holds you down. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because in this kitchen, every spice tells a story. Thank you for watching. Love you and see you next time. Bye.